Hi everybody, you are welcome to today's vlog. Okay, so if you are new to my channel and you are seeing my face for the first time, this is Nazoh, and I am a YouTuber based in Enugu State, Nigeria. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my channel to watch my content. I really appreciate every views, every like, every comment, and I'm really grateful for everything. So today I'm actually going to start baking class. Yes, I know how to bake though, like very well. I know how to bake, but I want to go to a baking class because I want to start my baking business. You get, I want to start it officially. I'm actually off to the market. Today is not the first day. The first day I couldn't actually attend because my kids were very sick. They were so sick, all of them, so I couldn't make it. And yeah, this is the second day of the class, so I actually want to rush to the market, to the store, anywhere. I'm going to pick the items that she listed for us on WhatsApp, on our WhatsApp group, and let's see how the class goes. Already and I have my book and pen with me because I have to be serious. I want to be very serious because you guys must patronize me. So we have a market right now, and I came to the first store, but they have not opened because I came too early. So I'm going to the second store. I just hope that they are open actually. It looks like they are not though. Jesus Christ. Okay, they are open. So let's go and pick some things. I just want to go and pay for this thing that I bought. My sister wants to make my hair. I saw this extension online, like a girl used it and it was really nice, so I ordered for it and I want to make it. So my sister is a hairstylist and she wants to actually make the hair for me, or she's already making the hair for me, anyone, you know. So
If it ain't your will, I don't want it. If it ain't your will, if it ain't your will, if it ain't your will, I don't want it. No.
So hi guys, how are you? I'm sure this is what I'll be calling you guys. I don't want to be doing hi guys. It's normal. It's normal. Hi loves, nah. Hi babes, nah. Hi besties, Guagwan guys. I don't know which one to call you guys, but okay. Hi faves. Hi beauties. Hi sugar. Hi plums. So hi plums, and you know, two of my kids are sleeping. One is awake, but I put cartoon on for her, so I can at least see what I can do around the house.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, I am finally done cleaning the house and I am happy. Like I know I didn't get to video everything that I did because you know, if I got to video them, I don't think I would be done by this time because the time is 11:48. I don't think I would have been done because I even woke up late. I woke up around I woke up early, but I was trying to gather strength to like go down and you know do proper work and all of that. So I think when I went down to do the whole walk was like around 8 thereabouts. So I didn't get to film everything that I did, as I said. So that's just it, and I'm so happy I'm done because there's nothing as satisfying as you like you coming back to a well organized house, or you seeing your house well kept, organized. It is so satisfying. So I'm done. I just want to go and take a quick shower. Which one is quick? Proper shower. Hey god, because the heat on me is something else. So I want to go and take a proper shower and jump on my bed and sleep and lock my room that my kids don't get to disturb me. Yes, because me too, I need rest. And they are sleeping right now, so I really need to hurry up and bathe and just sleep because when I wake up, I want to go to the market to get what I'm going to cook tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I want to make something very simple, something just there, something that will not take my time. Yeah, but you're good. So I came to market quickly. Let me buy what I'm going to cook tomorrow, but I'm in the car buying it by the side of the market. Buying it by the side of the market. I'm not actually coming down to buy it yet. I don't really have much time and all of that. So I came to visit my mom at her shop, and this is how it looks like. Forced me to buy Pluto. This one is fine, right? It has 2 patterns. This one and this. This one is fine. I don't know where they are. I don't know what you say the name was. Okay, Miro Mikado.
Yes.
Miro Mikado, come and buy your
Coffee brown.
I like
This
this
one.
one.
I like this one.
So I want to go to Gossip now and get my kids soap and cream, and I want to change my baby's own because they're kind of like giving her rashes. I think it's what is giving her rashes. I'm not so sure, but I want to change it and see if that's the cause. You get?
Oh, because your love is there to pick me up. And I want what you want for. If it ain't your will, if it ain't your will, I don't want it. If it ain't your will, if it ain't your will, if it ain't your will, I don't want it.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone.